What's up everybody, Matthew Moniz, welcome back. It's 2018 and this is the first video of the year. And I'm starting it off with one of your favorite phones of 2017 and going into 2018, the OnePlus 5T. Now, a lot of you people out there love your OnePlus 5Ts. In fact, I love mine a lot too. It's a great phone for the price, $550 for the 128GB model. You're getting some pretty good specs and a very good experience for the price point. But there's one major problem with this phone. It only comes in one color, and one color is an issue for a lot of people. And that color happens to be black. And you know what they say, once you go black, you can't go back. But there are some people out there that want a different color. So OnePlus has released a brand new phone in Sandstone white. This bad boy right here is their latest model. It's a limited edition, retails for $560. You can only get it in the 128GB version. All right, the plastic moment of truth. Here we go. Ah, that sound is like two angels making love to a mongoose. This thing feels fantastic. In fact, I love the way the back feels. It has this like really rough texture to it, especially when you compare it to the original OnePlus 5T, which only has a very smooth back to it. So a little bit more slippery on the black model, not as slippery on the white model. Now, just to go through it quickly, let's go ahead and unbox the rest of the stuff just to see if we get anything different. But I think for the most part, it is pretty much the same. So of course, you have your dash charging cable and the popular dash charging adapter. So this will get you 60% or 50% charge in about 30 minutes, which is pretty amazing. And of course, all the paperwork will be in this box right here. The question is, does it come with a case? Could, and it does. It comes with this little clear plastic case, which is a nice touch. A lot of phone manufacturers don't do this, so you have something to protect your phone until you buy something better. So just quickly going over it, as you can see, everything around the body is white. And instead of having white power buttons on the right-hand side, you have black buttons to give it this nice two-tone finish. But here's the neat thing. That slider on the other side of the phone to use to mute or unmute your device is red. This thing gives the phone a lot of character. You've seen this on the Pixel before, now you're seeing it on the OnePlus 5T, and I like the way the finish looks. So here's the cool thing. It takes a total of 75 minutes to produce a Sandstone white OnePlus 5T. This is the most expensive body they've ever produced. There's 4 layers of protection on this phone. The first layer is the primer. This is what keeps the aluminum safe. The second layer is the color temperature, which adds a little bit of white to it. Then it's painted by a white oil, which blends in with the color temperature layer in order to give you those gray tones on the body. And then finally, you have the UV layer, which keeps the entire phone protected. So total of 75 minutes to produce the Sandstone white phone. Now we're gonna power it up to see if there's anything different about the software experience. So I just got the phone booted up. There's nothing different about the software experience compared to the original OnePlus 5T. Everything you see on the OnePlus 5T is gonna look exactly the same on the Sandstone white version. What you're basically getting is a new finish. You're getting the white look, you're getting a rougher texture, you're getting the awesome looking mute switch in a red tone, which I think looks fantastic. And most importantly, you're getting it in 128GB with 8GB of RAM. You cannot buy this in the 64GB model. So let me know in the comments below, which color do you like better, the white version or the black version? If you haven't seen my review already, I'll place that in the description down below so you can check it out. Happy 2018, welcome to a brand new year. Lots of great stuff happening this year. I can't wait to show you guys. Thank you for watching this video, a lot more to come, and I'll see you guys in the next one.